back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Again, all you cars, you need to come to the staging area. All you cars, you should be headed to the staging area. All U cars. I have no U cars in the staging area. No U cars. Come on, U cars. Need you in the staging area. Will be green flag racing coming out of turn 4.
tonight. We didn't tear nothing up.
Well, you know, there wasn't a whole lot tore up.
Yep.
And that's really good.
All right. And how many races this year?
I think this is 11, maybe.
All right. Well, you've done really well, and you got along excellent tonight, and you've got some competition.
Oh, yeah, we got a lot of competition in this class. Everybody getting faster every week, so it's getting tougher and tougher, but we're making it.
All right. Well, we'll see you next Saturday.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Smile. Hello. What a night and what a day getting here with the rain and everything, but the track was good and everybody got along driving on it, so it's really good. And you got along pretty good. There's this guy in front of you sometimes a little good.
Yeah, he's in front of me too many times, but that's part of it. Congratulate him on the win. Thank my sponsors. Thank Rhino Linings of Bristol, Virginia Driveline. Thank my mom. Thank my wife, my 2 daughters. Thank my nephews who helped me work on this car. Thank let's see, Rhino Linings, Virginia Driveline, Heinz Brothers Performance, and thank God for a safe race. Thank you guys for coming out. We'll see y'all next week.
Thank you very much. Good job. Are you the driver?
I'm driving this rig.
Oh. Well, tell us about it.
A whole lot better than it has been. Last week we took it down there and weighed it out, and I want to thank Terry, Old School, Derek, Ken for doing all that for me. I want to thank my wife Emily, my daughter Cheyenne, TD, Alicia, Shane, Brandon. I know I'm forgetting somebody, but I want to thank Steve's Head Shed, Ferris Design Company, R&M Automotive, Mexican Restaurant Marion, Sir 81, Chai Finch, Jeff at Chihai Advance, and Mark Ferris.
Well, you did a good job, and thank you all a lot.
And Bowman Dry Shaft.
All right, anybody else? All right, that'll be fine. See you next week. Thank you.
All right, race fans, that was our Pro Mini class. Congratulations to the number 23 of Derek Ferris for bringing home that checkered flag tonight. Up next, and our last feature of the night, will be our U-Cars, brought to you by Altitude Truck and Auto Repair.